Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to make a Wi-Fi call on Android to ensure you never miss a conversation. This feature is a lifesaver when you have a weak cellular signal but a strong internet connection. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the phone app on your device, which is the standard dialer you use every day to make calls. Having this app open is the first step toward accessing your specific calling accounts and network preferences. Step 2 is to go to the 3 dots or the gear settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This menu houses your advanced call settings and allows you to customize how your device handles incoming and outgoing connections. Step 3 is to click on Carrier Features, which is the section where your mobile service provider manages specific network tools. Accessing this area is important because it links your hardware capabilities directly with the services provided by your cellular plan. Step 4 is to then click on Wi-Fi calling to open the dedicated toggle menu for this specific technology. This setting is located here so that you can choose how your phone prioritizes data networks over traditional cell towers for voice clarity. Step 5 is to then turn it on by switching the toggle to the active position, which officially enables the service. Once this is active, your phone will automatically route calls through the local wireless network whenever the cellular reception is too low. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.